Hola, bonjour, hello, and welcome to Cooking with Chef Jack, or Chef Jack's Fun Time TV Minute. I'm the star of the show, Chef Jack. Today, we're making Snowcap, Hershey's Holiday Snowcap Bake a la Mode. But first, I gotta get my apron. These are the ingredients for Chef Jack's Hershey's Holiday Snowcap Bake a la Mode. We've got these crescents and this Nutella, chocolate chips, marshmallows, and cinnamon. Now let's begin. First, we gotta get a pan to help you preheat the oven. Press bake.
375.
375. And start.